Okay, with this video, I want to go over the instructions for the reaction paper. So right now we are staring at our content folders, and here under Unit 2, we have our assignments and our chapters laid out. And of course down here we have assignment number 2, the reaction paper, due on June 4th. So if we go in here to this content folder, we see our reaction paper and our materials. Click on this particular link, and the reaction paper is the actual link in which to upload. And here we have the instructions. We have our McCoy article, which we used to write our reaction paper. And of course, the videos we'll be reacting to are twofold. We have PBS Frontline the Plea, discussing, I think, 3 distinct cases on plea bargaining and how it affected lives of individuals being charged with particular crimes. And then down here we have Paradise Lost 3. What's most important in Paradise Lost in this particular video is really the epilogue, where it's discussing these individuals and how they are released from incarceration. I would encourage you to watch the entire thing to get a better sense of the case. If you're not familiar with the West Memphis 3, these were 3 individuals convicted, I think, in 1991 of a triple homicide of some young boys. HBO did 3 documentaries on this: Paradise Lost 1, 2, and 3. Incidentally, when they initially started out in the series, Paradise Lost, back in the early mid-90s, was really, they just traveled down there to cover the trial. And they just happened upon, the producers just happened upon a situation where they noticed the trial and the events swirling around it going awry, and followed it through about 15 to 16 years to eventual a kind of exoneration of the individuals. So if you're really interested, the Bracken Library does have access to all 3 Paradise Lost movies. They're very good, these documentaries. So anyway, looking at these videos, view both of them, read McCoy 2005, and then write the reaction paper. Reaction paper instructions are, I guess, much simpler than the article summary. But I wanted, again, this is incorrect. Here are assignment objectives. The reason why I assigned this in this particular course, it's not just to have you do things. There is particular objective to it, relating to course material, integrating it in with particular real-world events. Again, like your article summary paper, this is skills-based, so you are graded on your writing as well. So here are the instructions. You're to view Paradise Lost and the Frontline the Plea and prepare a 3 to 4 page reaction paper that includes illustrations from the videos with integrated information from the article, which is the McCoy 2005 article, which really talks about or addresses the idea that plea bargaining is a form of coercion. So what you want to do is you want to read McCoy 2005 first, then view the videos within that context, which you absolutely, both those videos really show plea bargaining as a form of coercion. We certainly see, or we understand the benefits on both sides, the prosecutor and defense side for plea bargaining, and of course from a courtroom dynamic in general, we understand that it's a more efficient way to conduct judicial or court business. However, there is definitely a negative side to plea bargaining for both sides, in that what we see on the defense side is that plea bargaining is really used not so much as a carrot, but mostly it's used as a form of coercion to get individuals to plea or suffer the consequences of going to the trial, losing said trial, and then being punished more harshly. So, read McCoy, then view the documentaries, and then write your reaction paper. So here you'll be graded on critical thought, both using the literature and videos to support your presented positions. Understand that you are to prepare a well-organized essay. You want a thesis statement involved in this. You include an introduction that has a thesis statement, which a thesis statement, if you don't recall, you certainly have gone over this, not only in high school, but hopefully in your 103 or your comp class, and focus your writings around one central theme. Of course, be sure to proofread. You are graded on grammar as well. And then submit it through Blackboard. You only have one reaction paper this particular term, and it's this one that's over, those two videos. So I want you to take a great deal of effort and time with this particular article. Unlike the article summary assignment, this one is worth 50 points, not 30. So there with its weight, you understand that it is weighted more heavily than article summary assignments. So take your time, prepare a very good reaction paper to this. Again, as always, if you have any questions or concerns, you can email me. Or, of course, again, I will return to course content page, and at the top we have our WebEx link available to meet with you over WebEx. Of course, we have to schedule an appointment for that, as I explained at the end of the article summary instruction video. I do quite a bit of traveling over the summer for my responsibilities as the internship supervisor. Although I'm not gone all week long, I'm a bit of more hit or miss. So let's schedule an appointment. Hopefully I can get one turned around. We can meet within 24 hours upon request, so we can talk about those things. Okay, thank you very much.